Dear students, last lecture we discussed about the alkyl group. Today we will discuss about the homologous series and functional group. Let's start with the homologous series. Homologous series. Homologous series can be defined as the series of organic compounds which have same functional group but the consecutive members of this series are differ by bond CH2C to bond with each other. Let's see its examples. For example, the first member of alkanes is methane, second member is ethane, third member is propane, fourth member is butane, the difference between two consecutive members, that is between methane and ethane, are CH2 bond. As you know that the valency of carbon is 4 and two hydrogens are attached. So two valencies are vacant. So we are putting here two vacant valencies. How this difference can be defined? You can see that if we take C2H8, sorry 6, and we will subtract methane from ethane, you can see that in the case of ethane there are two carbons and one carbon is subtracted from two, then left behind is one carbon. And if we subtract hydrogen 4 from hydrogen 6, then we will get here hydrogen 2. So two valencies are vacant of carbon and are showing here. One bond will be attached with this carbon and second will be towards the hydrogen. This is the difference between two consecutive members. Similarly, we can find the difference between propane and ethane. Propane is C3H8 and ethane is consecutive member C2H6. Here difference between C3 and C2 is C carbon and hydrogen 8, we will subtract H6 from hydrogen 8, then hydrogen 2 will be left, and we will put two vacant bonds on both sides of this molecule. And this is the difference between ethane and propane. Similarly, between propane and butane, the difference will be CH2 bond. Similarly, we can explain it with the example of alkene. Let's see what is the difference between two consecutive member of alkene. In the case of alkene, the first member is ethene, second member of alkene is propane, and third member of alkene is butane. The difference between ethene and propane is CH2, and the difference between C4H8 and C3H6 is CH2. This is for alkene, and this is for alkane. Now we are going to discuss what is the functional group. Functional group. What is functional group? It can be defined as atom or group of atom which import or we can say gives properties to the compound. Examples: remember that single bond is not functional group. Double bond functional group. OH is a functional group of alcohol. Functional group of bond C double bond H, O double O H, or we can say C double bond O bond OH is the functional group of carboxylic acid. These functional groups will be discussed in other lectures. Thank you so much.